Hello, Alan Wright, and I'm the inventor of the Radiator flow booster, and I'd like to demonstrate to you how it can help you balance your radiators and make any radiator that didn't get hot. If you find that the furthest radiator goes cold before all of the other radiators get hot when balancing the system, then balancing the system cannot be achieved without a radiator flow booster. A radiator flow booster will allow you to balance any central heating system with conventional radiators. There are two types of radiator flow boosters. First of all, a V1 radiator flow booster will fit anywhere on the flow or return to a group of radiators or a single radiator. A V2 fits directly on the radiator itself in place of the lock shield valve. Well, I hope that helped, and thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye.